Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Voice inside my head. Hello, hello, I believe you. How can I forget? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie.
Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there. There's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping. It told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains of valley low. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh. Everything you want to go, that'll be the magic story you've been told, and you'll be safe under my control. Just let me in. Just let me in. She knew she was hypnotized and walking on cold thin ice. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster and started screaming, is there someone out there? Please help me. Come get me. Behind her, she could hear it say, follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains of valley low.
I'm trying to catch that freedom.
So I'm talking to myself again. Are you happy with? Living like a dog on a money chain. Keep falling the same way. Terrified of rotate. In the mirror, I see my biggest fear, but silence is almost here. So I'll tell her how I feel. What am I fighting for? Never understood this world. Oh Lord, can you save my soul? Does it still feel so cold? Of the noise they put off in my mind, I cannot hear my voice, so I must still be fine. Revolution, I'm in the wrong way. I'm not gonna talk in my way. Everything turned into a game where I'm the main character. So I keep on off, living like a burning jug. Eating regular disappointment. I'm not sure you wanna know what it's like. So hear me now, in the mirror